let's see how to develop a course on Wix. So now we're going to have this sample graphic design site. So the course that we're going to have is all about graphic design. So first is we'll go to this Add Apps, which leads you to the Wix App Market. And then we can search for programs, but we can also go to Wix Business Solutions and we find Wix Online Programs. Then we'll add this to site. Now, if it's done uploading, then you can go here, Manage Pages, and go to Programs List right here. Then we'll rename it to Graphic Design Courses. Done. Then what we're going to do is to tap this, then Manage Programs. It will lead you to the dashboard. And in here, the online programs will just get started. Select this. Then what we want to create, there's an online course, a fitness challenge, personal coaching, nutrition plan, or if you want to create from scratch, you can also do it. So for example, we're creating online course. Let's go with that. Then you can also choose a template here, or you can just create from scratch. So I'm going to pick this. Then let's say it's introduction. Let's name this introduction to graphic design. Okay. Next. Now, how should participants complete your program? If you want your participants to have like a limited course, then you can have self-paced. But if you want them to complete steps on specific days, then you can have scheduled. So I want this course to be scheduled. So let's click that. Now, when does your program start? You have to choose. If the participants can start whenever they like, then choose this flexible start date. But if you want like everyone starts on the same day, you can choose this specific start date. But let's choose this flexible start date. So let's say a duration of 7 days or weeks, you can have this. And let's say we have 5 weeks. Let's go. And there. Now, when we edit this, go to basic info. We can add image. Okay, let's try and add some image or video. And actually add some. It's just a sample. Add to page. Now, if you have a category, or if you want to have a category, then you can add some. Then you can also add some descriptions. And after you're done, you just click save. And you can go back here. Then you can also add instructors if you have one, or if it's you, then you can edit here the instructor. To start your online course, you can have this step 1. You can edit this one. You can put your step name here. Let's say for example you have this one in week 1, day 1. Then you can add the contents here, and let's save. And then you can have step 2, or you can just delete it. Then on day 2, you can add step You can choose if it's article, video, or it can be quiz. Let's say we have quiz on day 2. You just put the quiz name here on day 2. Then you can add some questions here. You can have open-ended questions by number. File upload, you can upload your file here. Then you can have single choice or multi-choice, a header and text. You can customize your quiz and you can have preview here. Then you can also connect a group here. Bring your program participants together in a group. You can do that. Then also you can add rewards for your participants. You can create a certificate or you can give participants some badges if they completed the course. Then you can add the price here if it's free or pay to join. It's up to you. Here, for example, your course is 100. Can include a pricing plan or can select it if it's not. Then the visibility, you can choose public, private, or in secret, only visible to participants you invite. But we're going to have this public. Then you can edit number of participants if it's unlimited or limited. For example, a maximum of 100 participants only. Then can press save. After that, when you're good, you can now publish it. You can publish and it will appear on your site. And here we go. This is the course we created. Now you can edit its layout in the settings here. Its layout or design, background, text. You can edit it here. Then when we publish it, then view site. Your customers or clients can see it here. And then here are your programs. And when you view details, they can see what it's about, the instructor, the price, and they'll click here to join. And that's it. That's how to develop a course on Wix. See you soon!